Hello dear GATE candidates, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. I am here to inform you about a job opportunity through valid GATE score. The National Highways Logistics Management Limited or NHLML has released this advertisement regarding the recruitment of graduate engineer trainee through valid GATE score. The National Highways Logistics Management Limited or NHLML is a 100% owned company of NHAI formed under the guidance of Ministry of Road Transport and Highways of India for the implementation of multimodal logistics parks, port connectivity roads, intermodal station, ropeways, wayside amenities, OFC laying and other associated projects on pan-India basis. Then NHLML is committed to facilitate efficient and sustainable logistics in India by leading identification, planning, financing, development and management of allied highway infrastructure projects, ensuring environment and ecological balance and contributing to national prosperity. And NHLML continues to strive and meet the challenges of dynamically transforming business environment and setting global benchmarks in development of logistics across the country for ease of doing business. And they invites application for graduate engineer trainee in disciplines civil, electronics and communication and mechanical through valid GATE score. The total number of vacancies and the vacancies reserved for different reservation categories are mentioned in this table. You can go through it. Then they have mentioned that the position shall be on the level of assistant manager in E0 level with pay scale of rupees 30,000 to 1,20,000 on contract basis for 5 years. And if you have a valid GATE score in GATE 2022, 23 or 24, then you are eligible to apply for this post. Then the selected applicants shall be under probation for 1 year. And on successful completion of probation period, comprehensive review of performance will be done by NHLML. And upon successful completion of probation, that is, fulfilling the required performance related and other criteria of the company, they shall be placed at deputy manager in E1 level at pay scale of rupees 40,000 to 1,40,000. Otherwise, employee shall continue in E0 grade with extension of probation for a period of 6 months, or else their services will likely to be terminated. Then you need to apply online by clicking on this link Application for Employment GET 24. Also, you can apply by visiting the career section of the official website of NHLML. I will provide the link of the website in my description box. Then the window for online application has already opened on 11th October 2024 and the window will close on 8th November 2024. Then about essential qualifications and requirement to apply for this post, they have mentioned that the candidates must need bachelor's degree, that is BTech or BE in branches of mechanical, civil and electronics and communication engineering from an institution recognized by AICTE or NAC or affiliated to an Indian or global university of repute or equivalent with minimum 65% aggregate score or percentage obtained. Then if you belongs to SC, ST, OBC non-creamy layer and PWBD category, then you need only 55% marks to apply for this post. Then when we consider the upper age limit, the candidates applying for general or EWS category should not be more than 30 years as on 1st October 2024. Then age relaxation is present for different reservation categories. The details are mentioned here, you can go through it. Then about formation of shortlist, they have mentioned that the qualified candidates shall be shortlisted category wise for interview based on their normalized marks in the corresponding papers of GATE 2022, 23 or 24. Then the candidates shortlisted for interview shall be required to submit the documents as may be mentioned in the call letter. And the final merit list shall be prepared as per following weightage distribution. For GATE marks, the weightage is 90% and for interview, the weightage is 10%. Then they have mentioned that only those candidates shall be considered for empanelment who secure a minimum of 60% marks in interview, and there shall be no qualifying marks required in aggregate. Then the offer of appointment shall be issued to the suitable candidates in the order of category-wise merit and based on requirement. And they have mentioned that GATE score prior to 2022 will not be admissible. Then there will be a document verification process at the time of interview. Then important information for reservation-based applicants are mentioned here. You can go through it. If you belongs to a reservation category, you need to produce a valid certificate to prove your caste and category. And the formats of certificates for availing reservation under different reservation categories to be submitted by the candidates are enclosed in this PDF. We will see that later. Then they have mentioned that the candidates seeking employment in NHLML need to be medically fit as per NHLML norms and standards for medical fitness. And the selected candidates will have to undergo medical examination by government or recognized hospitals. Then the selected candidates shall be liable for posting to any place in India as per requirements of the company. Then the candidates will be required to clear assessment for confirmation of their services at the end of probation period. And those who fail to qualify in the screening test, their probation period may be extended and further action taken in accordance with the policy of the company. Then about remuneration, they have mentioned that in addition to the salary, you will get DA, HRA and other benefits mentioned here. You can go through it. Then the most important thing, they have mentioned that initial period of appointment shall be 5 years and which will be extended based on performance and mutual consent. So if you work properly, then there is a great chance that your contract gets extended. Then the formats for different reservation certificates you need to submit are shown here. You can go through it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and share this channel.